Money, Master the Game is a book written by Tony Robbins, a well-known motivational speaker and self-help author. The book provides a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom and mastering the game of money. Here is a summary of the key concepts covered in the book. 1. The 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom. Robbins outlines a 7-step process for achieving financial security and independence. These steps include setting clear financial goals, saving and investing wisely, managing and minimizing fees, and protecting your assets. 2. The Power of Compounding. Robbins emphasizes the importance of compounding, which is the ability of money to grow exponentially over time. He explains how even small amounts of money, when invested wisely, can accumulate significant wealth in the long run. 3. Asset Allocation. The book delves into the importance of diversifying investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Robbins suggests allocating investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. 4. Fee Awareness. Robbins sheds light on the impact of fees on investment returns. He highlights the significance of minimizing fees and choosing low-cost investment vehicles to maximize long-term growth. 5. The Importance of Mindset. The book emphasizes the role of psychology in achieving financial success. Robbins discusses the importance of adopting a positive mindset, overcoming limiting beliefs, and developing financial discipline. 6. Strategies for Investing. Robbins explores various investment strategies, including dollar-cost averaging, indexing, and rebalancing. He also interviews renowned financial experts and shares their insights on successful investment approaches. 7. Creating an Income for Life. The book focuses on strategies for generating a reliable income during retirement. It discusses the concept of annuities and explores different ways to ensure a steady stream of income throughout one's lifetime. 8. Protecting Your Wealth. Robbins addresses the importance of protecting your assets from unforeseen events, such as lawsuits, health issues, or economic downturns. He provides guidance on risk management and insurance options. 9. Giving Back. The book emphasizes the significance of philanthropy and giving back to society. Robbins encourages readers to make a positive impact by contributing to charitable causes and helping others. Overall, Money, Master the Game offers practical advice and strategies for readers to take control of their financial lives. It aims to empower individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve financial security and create a better future.